RPS School, Mahendragarh. Okay, so just have an idea that how many words you are going to write in your name of the organization, and accordingly you need to leave the equal margin on both sides so that it can be written in the center. Okay, otherwise if it is drifted left or right, then it looks awkward. Mahendragarh. Thereafter, we will leave one line blank and we will write the word notice. That is also in capital letters. Thereafter, we will leave one line blank. Either you can write the date here in line with the notice word towards its left side, or you can leave one line gap and you can write here date. So here the word date is not to be written. You will mention the date. Today's date. If you are writing the notice today, then it will be, it is 17th April. We will write the name of the month in full, 2020. Okay, then one line blank and you will write the title. So what is our title? You are asking your staff to donate. Okay, donate in the PM Cares Fund. So this will be your title. What for? Okay, so you write the donation for PM Cares Fund. Okay, this also should be in center. Thereafter, you will start writing the main content after leaving one line blank. So what is your point? You are writing to the management and teaching staff for donation. Let us write. You can either write it is a sincere appeal to all the teaching and management staff to donate some money for PM Cares Fund, or you can write that all the teaching and management staff of the school is hereby informed that uh, each one of us should extend our helping hand towards PM Cares Fund to fight this pandemic. Like that you can write. There are numerous ways of writing this sentence. All the teaching and management staff members are requested to extend their helping hand by donating for PM Cares Fund so as to assist the government to fight this corona virus pandemic. Okay. Each penny, penny means amount, money, contributed each penny contributed makes a huge amount to do the needful for the affected people. The necessary details of the account are as follows. Thereafter you will write name of account, that is PM Cares Fund, bank name SBI New Delhi, IFSC code SBIN 000161255, for example. It is not a real IFSC code, I have just given for example. Okay. Account number, that is account number 241765 dash, okay, 11 digits I again. Okay. Now thereafter you can mention here that the donation will be exempted from income tax under section 80G. Okay, 80G. If you know this, you can write this also. Thereafter signature signed and principal, but your name here, your name should come first. Okay, that is XYZ and your designation principal RPS school Mahendragarh. So in this first letter should be capital, and as you know acronyms and abbreviations are to be written in capital only. Now it is the time to close it from bottom also. So your notice is complete in all aspects. Now it may be appearing you it may be appearing to you in large content, but actually it is within 50 words. Okay, if you start counting, it will not exceed 50 words. You can take the screenshot also. Okay, and I expect you to write this in your notebook as an example. One more notice in this same concern we are going to write, and that is from the social point of view. As a sincere citizen, as a responsible citizen of our country, what is our duties and responsibility at this juncture? This is also in the same concern, that is about coronavirus. As secretary of Asiana Towers Residential Society, write a notice in not more than 50 words for displaying on society notice board to inform people about cancellation of cultural program on the occasion of Ram Navami. Give coronavirus outbreak as the reason of cancellation of the program. Okay, so you are the resident of this colony, and as a secretary you need to write a notice that on the occasion of Ram Navami you are going to celebrate a function, that is a cultural program, but due to outbreak of this coronavirus and as a requirement of maintaining social distancing, we had to cancel this program. So as you know, a notice is always written for the future event. Okay, it is always written for the future event. So let us start writing this notice, and as usual, first of all we will draw the line. Let us enclose it from 3 sides, and thereafter at last we will close it from the bottom side also. Name of the organization, you are writing from Asiana Towers Residential Colony. Okay, over. Thereafter one line blank and write the word notice. Thereafter you leave one line blank and add the date. So as you know, Ram Navami is already it has gone back, and so let us write date about 1st April so that it look appropriate. Okay, 1st April 2020. Thereafter leave one line blank and write the title. Title is cultural program cancellation or cancellation of cultural program. Okay, right. Thereafter you will write the main content. So let us start writing. All the members of the society are hereby informed that due to that the cultural program which was scheduled to be held on Ram Navami stands cancelled due to outbreak of coronavirus and an utmost need of maintaining social distancing. Okay, social distancing. Thereafter, you can mention one more thing here. As a responsible citizen and educated person, and educated person so as a responsible citizen and educated person, one is expected to cooperate the society members and administrative staff. So there is no extra detail to be given. Okay, the reason you have already mentioned. The reason was to be given as coronavirus outbreak. So you have already mentioned the timing, date, everything is nothing to be given over here because it was already known to them that on which date it was to be held, that is on the occasion of Ram Navami. So we are not going to write anything over here. Thereafter you can straightway sign, signature, put your signature here, and for example name of the secretary is XYZ and designation is Secretary Asiana Towers Residential Society. Okay, and now we will close it from the bottom. This much is sufficient. So dear student, the this format, that is name of organization, notice word, date, title or heading, then signature, name, designation of the person writing the notice, this all carries 1 mark. Thereafter this content, central portion, it carries 2 marks. How you have tried to express your viewpoint. Thereafter 1 mark is given for the expression and content carries 2 marks. Okay, 1 mark is given for the expression, how you have expressed it. Don't forget to put it in a rectangle box. Thank you, and please note it down in your notebook also. Have a nice day.